What's up, fam? It's your boy Vintuan. Welcome to BBlock, the crypto education and blockchain news channel. If you are a newbie and you're hearing the buzz about crypto and blockchain tech, this is the place for you. Today, we're going to be getting into how to get started in crypto. I'm going to spend 5 minutes with you breaking down how to get started, apps to use, some of the basics, and why you should be getting involved with cryptocurrency and blockchain tech. So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you some of my sweetest, easiest tips to get started with crypto and blockchain. Tip number one, for those looking to get involved with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend starting with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reasons why: Bitcoin is the biggest by market cap. Ethereum is number 2 by market cap. We'll get into some of the nitty-gritty details as to what the difference is between these two later on different videos. But for those just getting started, that's what you need to know. Tip number 2. For those who are looking to get involved with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and you have a chunk of change sitting around, I highly, highly recommend using dollar cost averaging. What this does is it mitigates any kind of short-term risk in regards to price volatility. So the way this is done is just like investing into an IRA or a 401k. You periodically invest sums of money over time. So what this means is you can pick your allocation, whether it means $100, a couple $100, or thousands of dollars, whatever best suits you. In regards to the timetables, it could be a week, it could be daily, it could be bi-weekly, it could be monthly, it could be annually, whatever you want to do. As long as you're picking out time frames in regards to your investment, that is called dollar cost averaging. This is a proven method used by institutions to get involved as well. Tip number 3. These are going to be your apps, how to get involved with cryptocurrency. First app I love to use is Coinbase. This can be one of your best friends and your worst friend when it comes to market volatility. Coinbase is very easy to sign up for. I compare it to Venmo or PayPal. Only difference is you're going to have to provide a picture of your ID. This is called Know Your Customer. When it comes to using Coinbase, very user-friendly. The UI is easy. The only problem is when there is big price volatility, the app tends to crash a lot. So just understand, whatever money you're investing into Bitcoin and ETH, you may not be able to access it right away or immediately, especially when there's big price fluctuations up or down in the marketplace. However, Coinbase is the easiest to use and the easiest to sign up for. So highly recommend starting here. All you need to do is link it up to your bank account, provide your ID, and create a login password. The second app I recommend using is Cash App. Once you familiarize yourself with how to use cryptocurrencies, how to buy and sell, you're going to want to download Cash App because the fees are much lower than Coinbase. You can set up your dollar cost averaging method where you can periodically invest into Bitcoin. The only problem is Cash App only allows you to invest into Bitcoin only, no other cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking to get involved, Cash App is a very, very easy app to use, and you're probably familiar with it just like the Venmo or the PayPals. My third app I recommend using and downloading is going to be called Strike. This is a brand new app that just got created. All you have to do is link up your bank account. Once again, you have to KYC, verify who you are, but this one does everything for you behind the scenes. There's no need to set up a wallet or anything like that. This is the most similar to a Cash App, except it's all done on blockchain technology behind the scenes, so you don't have to worry about it. This is one of the newest and latest and greatest products to hit the market. Highly recommend. Once you get comfortable with Coinbase and Cash App, download Strike app and give it a go. Tip number 4. This one is going to be to download an app or get a hardware wallet. Wallets are the biggest and safest way to secure your cryptocurrency. Please understand, if you keep your cryptocurrency on an exchange app like Coinbase or Cash App, they technically own your cryptocurrency until you pull it off the exchange. In the past, there have been major exploits, hacks, companies have gone under, and they've taken people's funds with them. So just because you have your cryptocurrency inside of that app does not necessarily mean that you own it. So please make sure to understand, if you really want to be safe and secure, pull your money off of those exchanges and hold them in a wallet. There's many different wallets out there, but the easiest ones that I recommend using are Exodus, Trust Wallet, and if you want to be super safe and secure, you can use a hardware wallet, which is a little bit more technical. I use the Ledger S Nano, which is one of the easiest ones to use. This is like having a Swiss bank in your wallets are important, and that's where you keep and store your cryptocurrencies. Tip number 5. This is one of the biggest tips, is to understand you're not getting involved in cryptocurrency because it's a get rich quick scheme. You are buying into the ideology that there is a new decentralized way of conducting finance. There is no longer the big banks that control and run the world. Once everyone starts to buy into cryptocurrency, this is going to be the future of how finance and economies work. So understand there is something much bigger at play here, other than just kind of the big numbers of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of these other cryptocurrencies. This is a new way of conducting finance. So understand why you're getting involved with cryptocurrencies and blockchain. If you want to learn more, tune into some of my other videos where I go a little bit more in depth with this idea. That's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you guys learned something. I hope this gave you a little bit of nugget of knowledge to continue down the path of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have not, like, subscribe, smash the like buttons, Ben Twan's Block on all channels.